Welcome to the tutorial on using student Gmail. From the DecaturProud.org website, click on the Gmail icon. It looks like an envelope with a red M on it. This is going to bring you to the Decatur Township login screen. Type in your credentials and click Sign In. Once you've clicked Sign In, this will bring up your Gmail account. On the left, you have your inbox, and you have a Compose button. To start a new email, you'll click the Compose button. That brings up a new message box with the to. You can CC or carbon copy somebody or blind carbon copy somebody. You'll type in your subject and your message body here and then click Send. If you click the A with a line under it, it'll give you all of your formatting options. Click that again and that'll go away. Click the paperclip to attach files. You can insert links, emojis, you can insert files from your drive, you can insert photos, or you can turn confidentiality mode on or off. If you don't want this draft, click the trash can and it will discard that for you. On the top right, you have your profile. You can click on that and it'll show you all the accounts you've signed into. You have a cogwheel, which are your settings, and you can go in there and change your profile picture. You can add a signature. You can change your settings there if you want this to be compact or a little bit bigger for your inbox messages, just different things in your settings. If you click your waffle on the top right, this is going to give you all of your different options that you have. You can get to your drive straight from your Gmail. You can get to your contacts and your calendar. That is your Gmail for students.